How to enable or disable physical SIM card or eSIM on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. Then scroll down and tap on SIM manager. Next, in here, tap on SIM 1 to turn it off or switch it on. Here you can tap on turn off, or you can tap on it to switch it on. Then tap on turn on. Next is your eSIM. You can also switch it on or turn it off. So tap on the toggle button to turn it off, or you can switch it on. Then tap on turn on. And that's it. That is how you can enable or disable the physical SIM cards or eSIM on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.